Hey y'all, come with me as I pack my bag for the hospital, getting ready for my osteotomy surgery. Cute bag, right? So first I'm going to be adding in my hygiene items. I have some body spray, I have facial wipes, lotion, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that into the bag. I should only be staying in the hospital about 2 or possibly 3 days, but again, I'm having leg surgery, so we'll see. I'm also going to put this body powder in there just to make sure the cracks and crevices are not wet and sweaty or whatever that may be. Next thing I'm going to do is put in my Sudoku puzzle book and a gel pen so I can have something to do while I'm there so I won't get bored. I'm also going to be packing up one of my journals so that I could just write down my feelings and emotions as I get out of the operating room. I know I'll be there. It'll be some long nights. So I don't wear much, but I am going to take a few pairs of underwear with me as well as some socks so I can make sure that I'm cozy and warm. And then I'm just going to take some really pajama outfits with me. I took 1, 2, 3 nighties with me. If I do need some extras, my mom will come and bring me more up there if I have to end up staying longer. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pack that. I did go ahead and pack me a hat because I am a short hair diva right now, and if I just want to put on a hat, I just want to be able to feel comfortable with that. And lastly is this breathing apparatus that I have to have after surgery just to make sure that I don't get any blood clots. So I have to breathe in that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in to make sure that I am well prepared. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and attempt to zip this up. All right, y'all, that's the end of the video. I really thank y'all so much for watching and come along with me for my osteotomy series that is coming here shortly. Thank you again for watching. I love you. Bye.